Let's find out how to install structural protection mats with aluminum lamination for plastic roofing membranes. Before installation, remember that the surface to be protected must be swept clean. The product is installed as a single-layer loose installation. Maintain a 5 cm longitudinal and 10 cm transverse seam overlap. Cut the mat with a commercial cutter and ensure that the existing layers beneath are not damaged. Rolls can also be cut to stripes or pads, depending on the use case. KRAITEC Top Alu must reach the upper edge of overlying layers at terminations and connections. Prevent standing water by ensuring drainage with at least a 2% slope. Remember that the product must be offset during installation per standard engineering practice. When installing on balconies and terraces, follow bitumen and plastic membrane regulations. Cut the protection layer into suitable pieces or strips. Place the stilt bearings on top of the KRAITEC Top Alu pads. The thickness is based on the building and load case. Also, consult the manufacturer of the roofing membrane for special construction installations. The mats must be covered with gravel, PV frames, or paving slabs immediately after installation to prevent undesired changes in dimensions. For exposed, temporary protection under scaffolds or walkways, strictly follow this instruction and increase the overlap width. For more product data and installation instructions, visit KRAITEC.com.